All right, are you ready for some pulse racing, heart thumping fun? I'm talking about a timed 5-minute look using 7 products. I'll explain why I'm not doing the traditional 5 products. And I need to do a look that I would actually leave my house in or do a Zoom call with. So that is our task. Let me get my timer ready. Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous. Okay, ready, set, let's begin. Starting off with the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Liquid Foundation. I did already mix some on a palette because I had to use 2 shades. Forgive that little cheat there, but I didn't have the perfect color mixed or perfect color in a bottle. So I'm using the Stands Out Beauty Sponge to blend this in, and then I am not bringing in a concealer, so I'm also going to take this under my eyes. All right, for me, a clean canvas is first priority, and then I am going to, believe it or not, add a little eyeshadow primer. This is MAC Soft Ochre Paint Pot. This is one of those extra products that I personally have to use if I want this look to last longer than 5 minutes. So if you don't have oily lids, you can skip this product. Oh my goodness. I'm using this over a traditional eyeshadow primer because I want the added coverage on the lid. I'm going to work a little bit of this, the inner corner, and down the bridge of my nose, and a little bit on the tops of my cheeks as a highlight, and then around the edge of my lips, and the bottom of my nose. All right, next I'm going to go in with this cream blush from Thrive Cosmetics. This is the shade Dion, and it can be used on the lips as well as the cheeks. So we're all about multitasking products when we're limited on how many we can use, right? And this just, oh my goodness, see right there? It's like, okay, we're actually looking like we're, oh my goodness, we're maybe not going to make it. Okay, I need powder. I'm going in with the Nikia Joy setting powder. This is another product that most people can skip, but I can't. Again, I need my look to last throughout the day. And then I'm going to take a little tiny bit on my brush and go over my eyelids. All right, next I'm going in with the Butter Bronzer, and I'm using an eyeshadow brush. Going to put some of this through my crease onto my lid, nothing real precise, just adding a little definition to the eyes here. Very quickly. Oh my goodness. Come on, Shirley. And then I'm going to take an Morphe M432, and I'm going to smudge this along the lower lash line for some definition in case I don't have time for mascara, and I certainly don't have time for liner. All right, and I'll use my 919 brush from Sedona Lace. Add a little bit of this, on my cheeks and around the perimeter of the face for a little definition here. Okay, we need brows. It Cosmetics, oh my goodness, I'm not gonna make this. It Cosmetics Brow Powerful, or brow, you know, brow pencil. Universal taupe. All right, we gotta have some brows and I still have to have some mascara. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See, I told you this would be like really a thriller, right? Oh my goodness. It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. Didn't even have time to curl the lashes. But let's see if we can get at least one coat on before. Ah! Okay, there we go. Oh my goodness. Okay, there it is, folks. There is what 5 minutes looks like. So let me move my mirror out of the way. So let's just take a better look here. So again, if I would have had just 1 more minute, I would have curled the lashes and put some mascara along the lower lashes as well. So this is pretty good. If I were leaving the house, I would grab my mascara for sure to add a little more. And I did explain as I went along why I needed 7 products for me personally. So that eyeshadow primer, even if I didn't apply anything, like no powder or anything on my eyelids, they would be an oily mess within about a half an hour. So that's why an eyeshadow primer of some kind is necessity for me, as well as face powder. Even though that Bare Pro foundation does last really well, I need that extra little bit of powder to keep everything in place. But overall, not too bad, right? This is the Thrive Cosmetics. Let's see, what's it actually called? I'll put it on, it doesn't have it on the label, but I will list this and all of the products in the description box below. But this I think is key in giving the lips just that much more color and the cheeks more color. And I think that just kind of helps it look like I did something. So I hope that you enjoyed this fun video. Thank you to those of you who challenged me to do it. I know if I practiced this, I would get a little bit better. This is a look that you can adapt according to what your needs and your specific tastes are. But hopefully you enjoyed seeing my take on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you check the description box below for a list of all the products, and I'll see you next time. Bye.